The Nietzschean mean of self-mastery, you should seeking power rather than happiness. What is power? Why you should seek power, not happiness. Power is a word that has been used to describe many things in life. Happiness is one of them. Here we will explore the meaning of power, why you should seek it and not happiness, and what you can do to be powerful. Power is a word that has been used to describe many things in life, like money, fame, or even love. But what does power really mean? Power can be defined as the ability or capacity to act or produce an effect. You should seek power instead of happiness because it's better for your future and will make your life better. How do rich people get a stronger, tighter grip on their power? The rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Notice your strength when you have nothing. Observe your power when you gain nothing. How to use your strengths in order to overcome your weaknesses. We should be aware of our strengths and use them to overcome our weaknesses. The first step is to identify what it is that you are good at and find a way to make it work for you. This can be done by writing down all the things that you do well or by looking at your resume and identifying the skills that you have gained in the past. Next, identify what it is that you are not good at and find ways to compensate for these shortcomings. This may include asking someone else for help or learning a new skill. Finally, take small steps towards achieving your goal while staying focused on your strengths. It is a well-known phrase that has been used for centuries to describe the divide between the wealthy and the poor. And while it may seem like an outdated saying, there are many who believe that this is still true in today's society. But when it comes to cheating and scamming, the rich seem to get richer and the poor get poorer.